Your TV is great, but what if it could do more? Meet the Roku Streaming Stick Plus. Compact in design yet packed with power, it transforms any screen into a smart streaming hub. With fast performance, a simple remote, and access to thousands of channels, it's everything you need for endless entertainment, all in one small device. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, setup, and safety precautions. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Roku Streaming Stick Plus, Voice Remote, 2 pre-installed batteries, power cable. Want to grab the Roku Streaming Stick Plus from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. Roku Streaming Stick is the easiest way to upgrade any TV to America's #1 TV streaming platform. Enjoy 4K streaming in a slim player that powers directly from your TV and stays out of sight. Sleek design won't block neighboring HDMI ports, so you can switch from streaming to gaming with ease. It even powers from your TV alone, plugging into the back and staying out of sight. No wall outlet, no extra cords, no clutter. Power on your TV, adjust the volume, and control your Roku device with one remote. Use your voice to quickly search, play entertainment, and more. Turn your TV into an entertainment hub with the Roku. Dive into Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Max, YouTube, and more, all in one place. And when you're done scrolling, explore thousands of free movies, shows, and live TV channels, all ready to stream instantly. Specifications. Setup. Insert the Roku Streaming Stick into an available HDMI port on your TV. Connect the included USB power cable to the stick. Plug the other end into your TV's USB port if available, or use the wall adapter if not. Once plugged in, the power light confirms your device is on. Switch your TV to the correct HDMI input, where the Roku stick is connected. Insert the batteries into your Roku remote and follow the on-screen prompts. Choose your language, connect to your Wi-Fi network, and allow the device to update to the latest software version. Use the activation code on your TV to link your Roku at Roku.com, sign in, or create a Roku account. Then follow the setup questions to add your favorite streaming services and channels. Once complete, your Roku home screen is ready for streaming. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Roku Streaming Stick Plus. See you in the next one.